In this video, I am talking about how to sign up in Org platform. So open the Chrome browser and type sign up for your Salesforce Developer Edition. Search it. Open this link. Then fill up these details. First name, last name, email ID, your role is developer. Then put company name, anything you want. For example XYZ. Select your country origin. After that, put your postal code. After that, put your username. And this will be note down. And click on sign me up button. Then go to Gmail for verification purpose. Verify it and enter new password. After that, come back to org and click on the login. After that, put username and password and login. Here you sign up org platform. That's all for this video. See you in the next video.